it was literally perfect. Like everything was lined up. We had a buyer. It was under LOI. It was a really hot deal. Like when we were actually marketing it, I was literally calling different, like on the phone with different PE firms and like talking to like associates or partners or whoever was calling about it and just kind of having conversation, trying to pitch the deal to them. It was probably like the best process I've ever seen. It was super smooth. We got it to a large buyer who was nice cap size. Like they could have definitely kind of pulled off the deal. The client only had wanted, it wasn't as large of a transaction. The client wanted 20 million of enterprise value and he had started the engagement. We got him an offer for 28 and a half. And then he realized how valuable it was right now and how much he thought he could grow it more. And then he got cold feet at LOI while we were starting off diligence. And we were actually through a good amount of diligence. I think it was like closer to signing. And he was just like, yeah, at this point, like I realize now that I can maybe get a lot more for this company in like 5 years. So I'm going to keep running with it because this is my life's work and this is what I want to do. And it was a young guy. The dude was probably like 30, 35. And so I was kind of just like, damn, like there's really not much more you can do on that one, you know?